No, we aren't. Although we're very rich, obviously, in natural resources in terms of wind, wave and tidal power, the reality is that we haven't done sufficient to maximise the opportunities in Wales from renewable energy. For example, we would like to see the powers over energy transferred to the Welsh Assembly so we can plan it a lot better within Wales. We also think that we could maximise the economic potential a lot better from wind power, and that is onshore and offshore. And also we want to see greater Welsh involvement in the research and development around wave and tidal power, which clearly need to be commercialised to become more successful. And that's why within my economic renewal programme, which I initiated as a minister, we've made it clear that the energy and the environment are going to be a key sector in developing our businesses. So we will, over the next few years, hopefully put a lot of emphasis on improving, if you like, Wales's position on renewables.